If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. We have various damage types, various types of insurance losses, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2019 Ram Promaster City Express. This is a compact van, front-wheel drive van that sustained collision damage to the front end. As you can see, engine compartments pretty square. The radiator and condenser appear to be intact. It's holding fluid. This apron looks good here. Frame rail looks okay here. This frame rail looks square as well. Not too bad. Pretty easy in the right front. Apron looks good there. May need a slight pull. Looks like it may be pushed in right around here. Headlight is damaged. Radiator support looks good. Let's close the hood. Zoom out a bit. There you go. Excuse the video, it's going to be a little tight. So this is the damage here. Need a right 3/4 sheet metal nose. Right front door looks good. Have a little damage up here. That could be repaired. Doors open. Nice cargo area. Good forward bags. It starts, it drives. Nice quick walk around. This panel's clean here. Backup camera. All the wheels look straight. No suspension damage. Let's walk around the other side again. We'll be selling this with a salvage title. This fender looks repairable. Back door is clean. Some damage back here up top. We'll post on the website soon. So make a nice work van for somebody, a delivery service or construction or electrician, plumbing. They're good in the snow. Give us a call if you're interested.